This is my breakfast. And trust me, this oatmeal till lunch. Oh, it's so good. But it's a little spicy though. I hope you try it. I hope you like it. I'm gonna try it. Okay. It's good. When I say good, I mean good, really good. It's good. All right, let me show you how I fix this breakfast. Follow me to the video and I'll tell you every step by step I fix this delicious breakfast. Don't go away. Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola. I talk about weight loss, meal plan, meal management, and weight loss, weight maintenance, and how to stay healthy. So today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a oatmeal in a different way. For those who doesn't really like to eat cooked oatmeal, some people don't like to make it as a stew, like the way we cook it and pour milk or sugar. A lot of people don't like it that way because of the taste, but I'll be showing you the other way to fix this oatmeal, make it as a patty or pancake like, and you will enjoy it and you'll be able to continue to lose and maintain your weight. So for my returning subscriber, I say thank you guys. You guys are the best. And for those clicking by or new viewer, please consider to subscribe, and I promise you, you will not miss out and you will thank me later. All right, stay tuned and follow me into the video. Don't move a muscle. Okay, so in here I have my ingredients. I have parsley, I have chili pepper, ginger, carrot, mushroom, parsley. But if you're in a country where you don't have access or you cannot get a parsley leaf, I strongly encourage you to switch it to mint leaf or thyme or curry leaf. You're still going to get a result. And I think chili pepper is everywhere, so you can get green chili pepper, and the ginger, fresh cut ginger I think is everywhere as well. Or if you cannot find fresh ginger, you can use turmeric. Fresh turmeric cuts is a good one as well. If you're using turmeric, please make sure you use the black pepper for it to be more effective. And here's a carrot. I believe carrot is everywhere, and mushroom. Okay, and I have my 2 eggs. Here's my 2 eggs right here. So I only need the white part of the egg. Okay, and I have a water. This is a half cup of a water. Yeah. So so today I'm going to be using coconut oil. So this is my coconut oil. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using. As long as it's healthy, don't worry about the brand, but you can use any. And if you don't have coconut oil where you are, you can switch it to olive oil, because you just need a little bit. That's all. And I have my fresh lemon. So this lemon, what I usually do, I squeeze this lemon. Sometimes I use half into a warm water, and that is what I drink first in the morning. So this is really good. And we know that in this pandemic season, we all need to boost and strengthen our immune system, and these have tons of vitamin C in it. Okay, so that's it. And I have my oatmeal here. This is a store brand, but you can get any that you want. So this is the oatmeal. I'm going to be using 3 of these. I'm going to blend it and I will mix it. So stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you step step by step, okay? So here, this is what it looks like. This is a 1 serving, so I'm not using a whole lot. Actually, I use 2 of this, and I'm going to blend it, okay? So it's now really powder form. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, so, and this is what it looks like. So it's in a powder form. Okay. So I'm going to be using the white part. Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay, this is the yellow. So the yellow, I'm putting it away. So this is the yellow. I'm trashing the yellow. And these are my grains. Okay, I'm going to add my grains into it and just whisk. And I don't know if you guys can see it. And my water, remember? So that's what it looks like, the mixture. So all right, so I'm just gonna how do I say it? I just need to kind of glaze my fry pan with my coconut oil. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be flipping the camera and be turning my back. So okay, so I have my fry pan with me. Gonna put a light. Make sure that everything is set well. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, if you don't have access to coconut oil, or cooking coconut oil, you can please use what is called a cooking vegetable oil, but preferably olive oil. Okay. So all I needed to do is just to kind of so it's not sticky. I think that's the size of a teaspoon, I would say. Okay. And I'm just gonna pour. I'm gonna spread it. I have to put it on a low heat so it can cook. So, and that is what I'm doing now, on a low heat. Okay. All I need to do is cover it for a few minutes, then flip it once the 3 minutes is over. Okay. Okay, so let's see here. I think I should have even made it smaller, but it's so big now, and we'll see. I'm going to try to cut into half to make the turning easy. Yeah. Oh, I think it's ready. I'm just gonna cover it to steam together, and the heat is still on low heat, so. Okay, so it's ready. So I have my 3-party here instead of a one big one. I think that the fry pan too was small for me to be able to spread it really well and flip it over. But yeah, so this is a meal right here. This is a breakfast, so you can have this with your dandelion tea or one of the weight loss tea that I've shared on the video. You can please go back and review if you haven't seen that. So this is a complete meal. This should hold you up to 4 hours, which will be equivalent to breakfast. So yes, so for those who likes to drink smoothies in the morning, you can do this for your breakfast and replace your smoothies with your lunch, because this is really filling, and has a good fiber. It is safe for a diabetic patient, nursing mom, PCOS patient, and hypertensive patient. Okay, please subscribe if you haven't, share, like, and I will see you in my next video. If you have any comments, please leave it down below and let's connect. Bye.